Alright, now I see we mixed up our old friend right here, ACES. Now you understand what I'm talking about. Today I go answer all your questions. Why sometimes I use color space and why sometimes I use ACES. Whenever I want commercial or less push grade, I often like to use CST. But whenever I want super pusher and very colorful, more cinematic, I often like to use ACES color science. Alright, now you know what to do. Additive and Oddity, our heroes here. Alright, I make an Additive node at the first, and then I convert to Rec 79 to my Oddity. Then I balance exposure, then saturation. The reason why I make saturation at the meantime it looked very saturated is just because I just want to make a nice depth, but I go reduce my ready tone. It's crashing a bit. Now we're gonna make our look. You know what to do. If you don't have my look, you just quick inbox me to get them now. Then I apply a look after that magic, and then you go apply the look. Don't forget about a skin tone. I also have a skin tone look, which is I go apply right here to get a nice skin. And then I ask Kev to construct my image, and everything works so fire. Thanks very much for watching this video. That was too short, but it was close in perfection. We can just leave ACES no matter what just happened. No matter what just happened.